this video, I'll share with you the cleaning schedule for next week while I clean my own living area. Let's get started right now. Hi all, welcome back to a new cleaning schedule video. First of all, I hope you are all coping with the current situation well. I wish you all to be healthy and safe. Due to the current situation and most of us being self-isolated, our homes are getting more dirty than usual. A good cleaning schedule becomes more important now than ever. Let me know in the comments below if you also find your home is getting dirty more quickly these days. Most of you should be familiar with the schedule by now. There are jobs that are done on a daily basis, there are weekly chores and extra chores which are not done on a weekly basis but do need attention from time to time. For more information about the daily chores, please check out the description box or a previous video. As always, the written out schedules can be found at the end of the video. Let's get started. On Monday, we're gonna strip our beds, change our bed sheets, dust, vacuum and mop all bedrooms. As today's extra, we're gonna dust our ceilings, walls and clean our doors with a spray bottle and a microfiber cloth to get rid of any dirty fingers or smears. On Tuesday, let's clean our bathroom or bathrooms if you have multiple ones in your house. Clean the bathtub, shower and vanity. Empty and clean your trash can, vacuum and mop. If you have a bathroom mat, check if it needs a wash. I would always suggest you to work with at least 2 bathroom mats so you can switch them out if needed. Our extra for today is getting all our ironing done. Are you new here? Do you like the schedule so far? Then hit that subscribe button to get updated every week. On Wednesday, we're gonna clean the kitchen. Clean your outside cabinets, clean the surfaces. Deep clean your oven and microwave so they are sparkling again as well. Today, we're also gonna do our administration. Pay all bills and organize your paperwork. On Thursday, we're gonna tackle the living room. Dust, vacuum and mop. Don't forget to water your plants if you have them. Our extra for today is getting rid of all old paperwork. Throw it in the bin. Also, draw up your week menu and your grocery list, as tomorrow is grocery day. Making up a good list is especially important now, as you don't want to miss anything on your list. You don't want to have to go to the supermarket multiple times. Now it's Friday, the last working day of the week. Today we're gonna deep clean the toilet and we're gonna clean our hallways, dust and vacuum, if necessary, mop the floors. Don't forget to dust or vacuum your stairways. Lastly this week, we're gonna get all groceries to get us through the next week. previously mentioned, the entire schedule is typed out at the end of the video. This includes the daily chores, so do check it out for more information. Do you have any questions? Don't hesitate to comment below, or just let me know you stopped by and watched the video. I'm always open to comments or suggestions, so if you have any, I can't wait to hear them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please stay safe and healthy, stay indoors, and hopefully our lives will soon return to normal. See you next week with my cleaning schedule video. Thank you for watching. Take care now. Bye bye!